Hello viewers, today we will see how windshield will be replaced. As you can see, we had a big crack in our windshield due to the bad weather. We had like minus 15 degrees centigrade temperature last week. So because of the changing temperature, it broke from almost from bottom to top of the windshield, as you can see. So I called my insurance and they sent the Safelite Auto Glass people to repair the windshield. They have this mobile service. They come to your own driveway to fix it, and it's raining outside, so he has to do the repair inside the garage. So let's see how he fixes it. See, it's done. Windshield is fixed. They installed the new wiper blades. Whenever you change the windshield, you need to install the new wiper blades. So they took care of that also. It's all set and ready to drive.